Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Naztech 7-in-1 high-speed charge and sync MaxDrive 7. As you can see right here, it's all plugged in. It has USB-C power delivery, 4K HDMI, and that would be the connector here in the very end at 30 Hertz. USB 3.0, that's what the hard drive is plugged into from Western Digital. Then we have two USB 2.0s, microSD, which I have plugged in, microSD right there under this piece, and a USB 2.0 device right here. It's a SanDisk microSD card we have plugged in. And then to charge the computer that we have it connected to through the PD, this can do up to 100 watts, and what comes out of here is 92 watts because you have a few watts running all the devices. We have the HyperJuice 66 watt triple port charger, and then we're using the ChargeASAP infinity cable. It has a magnetic charge and sync piece that's right here. This is magnetic right there. So we have this plugged into the Mac, and as you can see on the desktop, we have all the devices showing up properly. Macintosh HD, the Passport drive from Western Digital, and then we have the Hootoo drive, which is USB 2.0 drive, and then this is the microSD card. And then everything is on top of the Core Gaming Mobile Edge huge mouse mat. It's XL size, 32.5 inches by 15 inches, and you can get this now from Mobile Edge, their Core Gaming section. And this was developed in actual esports conditions. So this is great for using optical mice at very high speeds. And we have it all set up with all the accessories plugged into the Naztech 100 watt power delivery 4K Ultra HD MaxDrive 7, and you can plug in up to 7 devices to this one very small metallic hub. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.